business started in 1955 by my father. He started in our hometown in Berwick. I was the youngest of 4 boys, and we all worked for my father. And I suppose between all of us there was a bit of a competition, you know. And when I look back now, the competition between all of us has certainly probably made me a better Sparky. I always had a passion to grow the business. I wanted to take the business, I suppose, from being just a small country town electrician. I wanted to bring it into the inner city of Melbourne. I knew I had to change the name from the family name to something more dynamic. So in 2002, I changed the name from IB&A Weeks to Dezign Electrics. Over the past decade, the building industry has had so many changes. Houses have changed, people's way of living has changed. Everything's become more sophisticated, more technology, more smart wiring. We've now got smart TVs, so every TV point needs a network point. Home theatres have become more and more popular. We also have garden lighting. With smartphones now, it gives you the opportunity to be able to turn your heating on, turn your cooling on, lights on and off, even turn your TV on and off. And you can even do it on the way home. If you're anything like me and you like going on holidays, you can actually use your smartphone to be able to actually check your cameras at home and also dial into your security system to know who's been, if anyone's been, to your house. We have moved a long way from just a PowerPoint and the light switch that turns on an everyday light in the home. With all these technology changes, Dezign Electrics had to change too, and we did. So in February 2013, Dezign Corp was formed. 5 divisions were created underneath the Dezign Corp banner, with each one of those divisions having its own specialised skill set. So we have Electrical by Design. Electrical is we do the standard houses, extensions, renovations, maintenance, the extra power points for mums and dads, extra lighting and so forth. Then we have Prestige by Design, which is more for our custom homes and architectural homes. We knew that the custom and architectural homes needed a different touch. You have more of the external lighting, you have more pool lighting, garden lighting, architectural outside lighting, automation, ducted vacuums, alarms, multi-room audio, saunas, spas, wine cellars. So that's Prestige by Design. Technology by Design is smart wiring, fibre to the home, ducted vacuums, multi-room audio, and home theatres. Projects by Design services our retirement villages and our multi-unit development sites, from 2 units all the way up to 100 unit sites, as far away as Torquay, all the way up to South Marine, and then down to Pakenham. And finally, we have Lifestyle by Design, which is for electrical consultations. Lifestyle by Design was formed with the customer's lifestyle in mind. How it works is, our team at Dezign will walk the customer through every room in their house, asking them all the lifestyle questions. We can sit there and say that they need a power point here or they need a light here, but what it is trying to understand what the customer wants. So we turn around and we say to the customer, where's the Christmas tree going to be? What about your external lights? Do you have fairy lights at Christmas time? Have you thought about having security? Are you security conscious? Do you go on holidays? What about security lighting? Have you thought about automation? Do you like the idea of using your smartphone to be able to dial up and turn your lights on? Our consultant will go through this whole process with you, from start to finish. Our consultants work closely with architects and builders to finalise the electrical drawings and specifications. Through the construction phase, our consultants will still keep in touch with you, giving you the opportunity to be able to walk through the house at what we call frame stage, to maybe make some of those minor changes that you thought maybe that you didn't know that you needed to do. And then when you move in, we do what we call the handover pack. Part of that handover kit is that it has the specification of the light fittings, the light globes. We take them through by showing them how to use the oven, how the range hood works, the alarm, the automation if they have it, how to use their smartphone with their automation, their ducted vacuum. We take the hose out and use the ducted vacuum system and show the customer. The customer then gets the start to the end experience, and then they can go on and enjoy their home. Lifestyle by Design gives the customer the signature experience. By doing these customised divisions, it gave our customers the complete package. I believe we have the best fit solution for all our customers' needs. We're big enough to do every job, but small enough to care.